Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Fiesta front bumper. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver, a wrench set, and specialized trim removal tools. Next, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface and the engine is completely off. For your safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before starting any work. This prevents accidental electrical shorts and ensures a secure working environment for the entire process. Now, let's start detaching the bumper. Begin by removing all visible screws and clips that secure the bumper to the fender liners and undercarriage. Take your time to locate every fastener. Next, carefully detach the grille and any fog light bezels that are integrated into the bumper assembly. Finally, disconnect all electrical connectors for any lights or sensors that are attached to the bumper itself. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wiring. With all fasteners and electrical connections removed, you can now gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle. Be sure to check for any hidden clips or tabs that might still be holding it in place. Once removed, transfer any necessary components, such as fog lights or sensors, from your old bumper to the new one. Then, carefully align the new bumper and reattach all clips, screws, and electrical connections in reverse order. Ensure a snug fit. For the final steps, double-check that all fasteners are securely tightened, ensuring a safe and stable installation of your new bumper. Reconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Then, turn on your vehicle and test all lights, including headlights, fog lights, and turn signals, as well as any sensors to confirm they are working correctly. This ensures everything is fully functional before you hit the road. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you hydrated and prepared for anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.